Good morning, members of the esteemed hospital management team. My name is Shazia, and today I will present a crucial topic that underpins the success and sustainability of our institution: the triad of governance: medical law, ethics, and bioethics. My goal is to demonstrate why these three areas must be central of your policymaking and administrative decision. Let's first establish a foundational understanding. Medical law consists of the established enforceable social rules and regulation governing healthcare. In Malaysia, key laws include the Private Healthcare Facilities and Services Act 1998 (PHFSA) and Malaysian Medical Council (MMC) guidelines. Non-compliance here leads to legal liability. For management, medical law is your shield against litigation. Firstly, it ensures the standard of care. The MMC requires practitioners to constantly improve their quality of care. Secondly, it mandates procedural compliance, most notably informed consent. Failure to obtain valid informed consent can transform a procedure into a civil case for assault or battery. When staff are fully trained in medical legal issues like proper documentation and consent taking, the hospital is protected from malpractice suits, which in turn reduce financial risk and avoid negative publicity. Ethics and bioethics are the moral compass that build public trust. Medical ethics, based on principles like autonomy and confidentiality, dictates the daily trustworthy interaction between our staff and patient. A breach, such as the unauthorized disclosure of a patient medical records, immediately erodes trust. Bioethics handle our hospital's strategic challenges. It deals with questions like the fair allocation of scarce resources, ICU beds during a pandemic, or the ethical implementation of new technologies like artificial intelligence in diagnostics. By proactively addressing these bioethical challenges, management ensures policies align with both societal values and patient rights. Let's ground this in the Malaysian healthcare context. Example number 1, the COVID-19 pandemic resources dilemma. During the pandemic, hospitals had to make difficult bioethical decisions on how to allocate limited resources like ventilators and ICU beds among critical ill patients. Management's reliance on ethical guidance justice was paramount to ensure these decisions were transparent, fair, and did not discriminate. Example number 2, informed consent and paternalism. Historically, Malaysian doctors exhibited medical paternalism where they disclosed information at their own discretion. However, court ruling and the MMC now emphasize the patient's right to full information, shifting the focus to patient autonomy. Management must ensure that standardized, comprehensive consent form and communication training are implemented across all departments to comply with both the law and ethical duties. In conclusion, the triad, law, ethics, and bioethics, it's not just an academic subject. It is the operational framework for a high-performing healthcare institution. By prioritizing this area, you are not just ticking a box, you are actively mitigating legal and financial risk, fostering a culture of trust, and maintaining the highest standard of patient care. My recommendation for the hospital management team is clear. Formally, integrate ethical consultation into your policy review, invest in mandatory, recurrent medical, legal, and ethical training for all staff, and establish a dedicated clinic ethics committee to proactively address difficult moral dilemmas. That's all from me.